Abusuafo mi mo bibia kwaba de ba Jane CN page so me din e de adwoa searchim. Nana Mama Brown on ne ba baby magazine. Omo a very nice video e trendy e wo internet ne so. Baby magazine e ka che ne mama obisa ne mama say mommy how are you? Nana Mama so e che say she is fine because ne ba no Emma no enije. So na Nana Mama Brown na o che say Pinaman Cosmetics okase okwakoye brand ambassador de amomo a enya de beba so because omusika eswakra omusika ye kete so na ye nuaba Wendy Shay watutu bi de amane eye Keche Joshua na asem no emu enchemu ni adofo ye nyina nim na amane story se obre papa ansa na onya eye magazine enti ne ba ne de onfani ndiago kro penasem ankasa na bibi one ne ba ne beye bi ode beto internet ne so bia boom na eco viral ye beka ya magazine 1 year na ma etafre ne be ne nsa ho a ode odo na eye ye kowi achi ate say edu ba bia amanfo e ka ho asem na peye nkohwe ne page a one baby magazine omo a very nice video na ma catch anybody say I love you and a magazine ebisa no mama say mommy how are you and Nana so say she's fine because magazine and mana nani edge video no very nice pa na Nana nanso na one Munaguchi our host program wo Kantanka TV link up and say and send be a buy on near Fia Schwarzenegger in Tima and ehun sem bebre na ye nanim say Pinaman Cosmetics e ba Ghana ha no obe sign at artist bebre Ekuapim Polo and na friends so Fia Schwarzenegger mo amoye brand ambassador de emomo Tracy Boachin so eka ho na omo Fia Schwarzenegger na Munaguchi enya asem no yehu audios bia trend e wo internet ne so a ele Pinaman Cosmetics no Fia Schwarzenegger drop in sem papa o che se Pinaman na nkasa enye papa empo Ekuapim Polo nso ne hu be ma ensem bebre na ya ka se celebrities a mo ambassador de Emma companies bi no mo ba ye kra na ye nto enyema bio because say uko brand ambassador de Emma company bi na echi no be ka kire yen say product ne kra nya papa. What are you trying to tell us? Oh, catch and say product in any product be obesan so kobo hu da rubia. Enya de beto. Na eno na Munaguchi ene na Mama Brown video. Na video ni mu na Mona kase na ma soon to be Pinaman Cosmetics ambassador. Eno na ma say oh da bi Pinaman de niskisha enya dia ebeso no kra. Na ye tiesim na yakọ Wendy Shay nso na kache. Adofo na say yen na ye hu Wendy Shay ne dressing ne piercing na de na eno na yen sister Dolores from Paul Manson our host delay show ni show no na odi tudwa na o che say na say Wendy Shay I follow no na adofo de ba nyina ne say delay etna ni show ne so can say na say Wendy Shay ne dressing bi na ne piercing no yakọ say pressure bi eda no so ana say nyama nyina enkoye nti Wendy Shay entu ne hofo na eno na Wendy Shay on follow Wendy na delay Wendy Shay on follow delay and a delay sound so back out ebe can say otu Wendy Shay fu esan say otu ne funti no Wendy I on follow no enti dey na no na Wendy Shay so eba out be a video say delay na kasampo on follow on Wendy Shay na ache na nya efutu ni ntia na wo delay say wo tu obi fu na wo pobi na sema internet so na ba kwakọtena aka untu me efra Wendy na on kan che na na also enti dey into show no so na ba ha hoka Wendy ebe video can say oh no she is not on drugs, she is not under any pressure ona kasa no living in life ona kasa no we choose obe na brabosa nti Ghana fu enjano na no na Keche Joshua so eba out ebe can say ase bibi ha Wendy Shay I to say all is not well with Wendy Shay na Keche Joshua so be kan na is Wendy Shay ne de wa be kana say bi obe reply o kana sem one can ye or the baby mouth. Na yentie ensema Wendy Shay and as a reply or de a mark Keche ewa bra Keche Joshua edisa video no beto internet and so no. Or say Keche Joshua, are you not ashamed of yourself? Your wife should be ashamed of you. An old artist mocking a fellow young artist who is a woman. They will do worse thing to your daughter. For your information, I'm not on drugs and I'm not going through anything haters enti no reply we na when they say e dey ama keche Joshua.
Hey mama, I love you. Give mama a kiss. Give mama a kiss. Love you, my girl. Mwah.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
how are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine because you're fine. You make me happy. I love you, okay? Oh no, don't take toy. Don't take a toy from your head. From your hair. Okay? Toy, we love you. Mwah, give Toy a kiss.
Okay.
Mwah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, mama. I love you. Give mama a kiss. Give mama a kiss. Love you, my girl. Mwah.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
how are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine because you're fine. You make me happy. I love you, okay? Oh no, don't take toy. Don't take a toy from your head. From your hair. Okay? Toy, we love you. Mwah, give Toy a kiss.
Okay.
Mwah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Me, I'm impressed. And then now, media, when you but I know you love me. I love you. I know you love me. I do love you. Hey! Oh, I've seen her mention my name in a statement. Obidowa.
Yeah.
You can see.
The first time she came out, you know. Also, another man, you don't bring her into this crowd.
Oh, yeah, the soon to be, wow, soon to be Benaman ambassador.
Hey, that music is
Gana fomu kasa o. Ente na gana fomu nia eyi yo ya muyasa. Oh, never. I mean, who did that? I mean, who did that? Who did that? And the more when I'm busa step at a power and they don't want the amount wine ever moment.
Share expansion.
Ah, metwa. Obi aba efia ente patapa o ye broni ba no ho de ma wan. Oye mama bi trumu aboa efa ho men. Who did that? Ojo free one embe, ojo free. Ojo free. One embe. Why? One embe ojo free ko bisa kwabna. So oni awon fe patrio mo kwen. Kana fo mu kasa o. Ende na kana fo mu nua eyi yo ya mu yasa. Oh, never. I mean, who did that? I mean, who did that? Who did that? And the more when I'm busa step at a power and they don't want the amount no ever moment.
Share expansion.
Ah, metwa. Obi aba efia ente patapa o ye broni ba no want the amount. Oye mama bi trumu aboa efa ho men. Who did that? Ojo free one embe, ojo free. Ojo free. One embe. Why? One embe ojo free ko bisa kwabna. So oni awon fe patrio mo kwen.